Still have a few minutes left here, so let's turn left down this street.
Okay.
And we'll park it on the hill just past the first driveway. A bit closer.
Oh, wait. We have to...
There's no curb here, right?
Yeah.
So you could just park it.
Oh.
There's nothing to roll into.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and which way would you turn the wheels if you're parking uphill, no curb?
Uphill, no curb?
Yep,
Isn't that the situation? It's like not a proper curb.
that's right. The curb is 90 degrees
Yeah.
raised. So this here, if you tried to roll into that, you would just roll right over it. But in this case here, you turn your wheels to the right so that the car, if it does roll, it'll roll off the road
Yeah, okay.
instead of down the hill.
So I should have rolled it to the right.
To the right, yep.
Okay.
Just go ahead.
So
Go ahead, turn your
even
wheels.
when it's... Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I didn't know we could roll it when it's...
yeah, all the way to the right like that. Okay, now step one before you leave is to
Straighten the wheel.
straighten the wheels. Okay, and the rest.
Drive. Indicator, no cars.
Let's turn left over here.
Oh, are we making a three-pointer?
Yeah, well, I'm hoping we can find a parallel car to parallel park with here, but if not, we'll just do the three-point turn and we'll head back to your place. We don't want to do a three-point turn on a corner.
Yeah.
You want to be visible in both directions wherever you choose to do a three-point turn.
Okay. So I'll go all the way to the end.
Yeah, it looks that way. I've never been down this way, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, before the white car, that would be good. Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like they're building more homes here. Cool. There's going to be no land left in Minnow Lake by the time they're done.
We're eating it all up.
Perfect. Yeah, so when you get back in April there, just if you're using this car, then you'll have an hour of practice before the road test, which is great. Don't really think you need any more extra lessons or anything, but I know your mom was saying that she wants to get you some. We'll make it right here. I know your mom was saying she might want to get you some, so if that's the case, just make sure that she books those ahead of time so that they're in April, like before your road test.
Yeah, and like you said, I'll book it between 9 and...
Yeah, 9 and noon. And just let your mom know she could text me. Just let me know when if she wants any extra lessons there for you. 3 months is a long time not to drive, so
Yeah.
it might be worthwhile. Okay, yeah, we'll just pull over to the side of the road here.
And this is a hill, so I can just keep the wheels straight.
Yep. Actually, let's see something. Let's test something here. Put it into neutral, and let's see if it rolls. Sometimes even on a small little incline like this, it's not rolling, eh? Okay, so no problem. It's flat enough; it won't roll. All right, so congrats, Aaryan. You're all done.
Yeah.